Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm Alex, and today we are checking out the all-new holiday tribute store over at Universal Studios, which just opened to pass holders yesterday. Unfortunately, I must have slipped right through it and then had to leave for work, so I missed it. But we are coming to you today. Today is today is November 10th, and we are coming to you to check it out. So we're gonna head right on over there. I can see that they already have a lot of the holiday offerings and decorations set up out here in City Walk. So without wasting any time, let's head right on into the park and start our day. And so we made it. Let's head right on into the tribute store and check this one out. Well, everyone, that's gonna do it from this year's holiday tribute store. I really enjoyed this one. I think I might have enjoyed it even more than last year's holiday tribute store. Now, I'm not a huge fan of this new location, like I've already mentioned, right out here in the Hollywood section. I much rather prefer it over in New York, where they can really let their creativity go wild. It's a much bigger space, but I also get that these tribute stores are getting so elaborate that they need more time to prepare for them and maybe even open them a little early. Like, normally we don't get the tribute store until at least the 14th or 15th, or maybe even closer to the 18th, when the holidays officially began at Universal. But we got it only about a week after Horror Nights ended, which is crazy. Now, the different rooms, I did show off the different rooms. They're very elaborate, very well themed. The reason why I don't like the Hollywood section for the tribute store is just because of how tightly condensed it is. It kind of makes me glad that I didn't show up yesterday for the first day and decided to come the second day, because other than fighting with people just coming out of the latest Bourne show, it was dead. There was nobody in there, of course, because Bourne was letting out right here, out at the Five and Dime. At the time I was trying to go through the store, it did get a little crowded, but other than that, not a soul in sight, really. It was pretty quiet inside. They only had one register open, had to wait only behind one person, other than like the mess that probably overran yesterday for the first day of the tribute store. So I'm very glad that we popped in here. Very short visit out to the park today. Now I'm gonna go and grab food at the Minion Cafe, because why not? The best quick service on property, in my opinion. But guys, definitely come out and check out the holiday tribute store while you can. You got 2 months to see it, so definitely come out and check it out before we kick things into Mardi Gras season. But yeah, I got a lot of big stuff planned coming up this week, so I wanted to keep this video short. We got IAPA coming up. We got Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party, which we will be attending. So guys, a lot of great stuff coming on the channel. Look forward to it, and I will see you in the next one.